Hi everyone. So today I'm going to do a quick card reading for this upcoming week to see what's in store for us for this week. I've got two new card decks that I'm using. I've got the Moonology Oracle card deck. I just bought these. And I got the Keepers of the Light Oracle card deck. And I'm using them for this reading. So let's see what's in store for this week. What is the overall general messages for this week? And then we're going to pick for love, all right? All right, so we've got bring love into the situation. Luck is on your side. So what the universe is saying that for this upcoming week, you need to remember that whatever's going on, whether it's tough, whether it's difficult, whether, whatever's going on in your life, you need to bring love into the situation. Don't go at it from an energy of anger or frustration. Now is time for you to just basically focus on love and remember that no matter what is going on, that luck is on your side. So the universe is telling you during this week that even if things don't seem good, even if things seem difficult in whatever area, because these are general, the universe is telling you just remember that focus on love for other people, love for yourself, and that will help you remember that luck is on your side, the universe is on your side. Because when we come from a place of anger, when we come from a place of frustration, of jealousy, of any of those energies, lower vibration energies, we can't actually see the clarity. We can't see the fact that the universe has our back. So they're telling you focus on love, and when you focus on love, then you will realize that the universe is always by your side and everything will work itself out. So let's get some guidance for your love energies for this week. We've got Master Buddha, increased awareness, deep connection, trust your inner voice. For some of you, when it comes to your love life this week, they are telling you need to focus on your higher energy. You need to focus on the fact, why is this camera shaking? You need to focus on the fact that you are always connected to the universe, to God, to divine, whatever you believe in, and that you need to go within. All right, this is not about the outside world. This is about you going within and focusing on your connection to the divine. That will help you love yourself. And when you love yourself, that's when you get, that's when that love gets reflected back to you from other people. If we don't love ourselves, if we don't truly, appreciate everything about ourselves, good, bad, ugly, then nobody else is going to appreciate us, all right? And we've got Diana. Focused intention. Think about what you desire, set your sights high, and expect the best possible outcome. What this is telling me is that you need to focus on what it is that you want. You need to not kind of get swayed by the negative energies, okay? And I think that just because the current world doesn't show you what is going on, like for example, you may not see any love in your life, or you may not see any improvement in your love life. The universe is saying that's because you're focusing on the 3D. Focus on your connection to the divine. Set your intentions. Tell the universe, this is what I want. And don't settle for less. A lot of times we settle for the lowest. We're like, okay, if I can't get this, okay, I'll do this at least. This is the least I can get. But why would you want something that isn't for your highest good? Why would you want something that doesn't fulfill all your desires, right? So the universe is saying, focus on what it is that you want. Don't compromise. Set your sights high and be like, this is what I want. And then hope for the best, because the universe will provide you what it is that you want. All right? At the end of the day, anything that you want is possible. You need to expect good things to happen. I feel this week is all about you changing your energy on both work life, regular life, love life. Is telling you need to have more connections with the divine. You need to go within, focus on your connection to your higher self. Know that you are a manifester. Know that the universe has your back, and you don't need to compromise. Put love into it, but don't need to compromise. I know a lot of people, especially when it comes to the love life, is like, I want this type of a person. And I'm not saying you'll get every single thing, like, oh, I want hair, whatever. But I know people who have settled for things that they don't actually or that they never really wanted. And the thing is, you're basically putting yourself down. You're saying that I don't think I deserve everything that I want. You get what I'm trying to say? I'm not saying that you're not going to find the best possible person. You will. But when you say something like, oh, I don't, I'll lower my expectations, you're telling the universe, you're putting out the energy that I don't deserve what I really want. So I'll settle. Same with money, same way with the job. Hey, I want to make 2 lakhs a year or 200,000 a year, whatever, whatever you want to make. And, but you're like, okay, but I'll settle for this, or I'll settle for this. Because deep down, you don't think you can make that. Now, I'm not saying you can ask and get all of that kind of money right off the bat. But if you set your sights high and be like, okay, in a few years, in 2 years, in 1 year, in 5 years, I will make that kind of money because I know I can make it and I will eventually get there. Then you're putting out your intentions according to what you truly desire. All right. So this week is all about that. I hope this was helpful. If you wish to book a private reading, you just have to send me an inbox message and I'll send you a link to my website, or the website's in the description box below. You can also follow me on YouTube. I have longer videos on YouTube. The channel is called Natural Vibrations. All right, guys, take care. Bye.